The town of Needham has created the Crisis Support Donation Fund to financially support individuals and families in crisis. There are currently 2 community groups, Youth Resource Network, or YRN, and the Community Crisis Intervention Team, or CCIT, which meet regularly to discuss recent crisis situations and the ways local partners can provide support. These supports range from mental health services, camp enrollment, YMCA memberships, and other specific needs. The initial funding was collected by the Broadmeadow PTC in the name of its recently retired principal, Emily Gaberman. Here's the Director of Youth and Family Services, Sarah Shine, on how the donations will be used.
The reason for that fund is we saw in the CCIT meetings and the Youth Resource Network meeting that there are some families or individuals who are in crisis who needed funds for various things. They needed transportation. Some families didn't have a stove and needed a new stove. Some families needed a bike to be able to get to treatment. There are various needs that came up. Some families had lawns that needed to be mowed so their kids could play on their lawns to keep them occupied, things like that we really saw as beneficial to help getting over the crisis. So the fund will be managed by myself and Tim McDonald, who's the Director of Health and Human Services, and really through those meetings when needs are discussed, we'll discuss in those teams kind of how could this money be useful in supporting some of these needs? And then the team will kind of make the decision about which ones of these funds can be used for the various needs. And then there'll be an approval process after that. The principal of Broadmeadow recently retired, and Emily, and in her retirement, she really didn't want presents or anything like that, really wanted to help support the community in some way. So as part of her retiring wish, she worked with the PTCs in developing a initiative to get money to get people to donate into this fund, and they were really successful. We were able to receive about $2,000 into that fund already to help support these families in crisis, and Emily herself also donated. So it's another way that we're going to be able to support the community, and anyone is able to donate. They can contact me at Youth and Family Services, and really it'll be an amazing assistance to some of these individuals and families in need.